My oven went out last week. I've been gone. I just got back yesterday. Forgot all about it, but I got the part here. Let me fix my oven. I just came from the grocery store. I got grocery on the cabinet. I need my oven. Okay, so I got my burner for the oven. I'm gonna see if this works. All I gotta do is take these screws out and switch it out. So, I gotta unplug the oven to be safe. Then I'm gonna try to take these screws out and switch them out.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm over best cause I got it going on.
I'm a nice dude with some nice dreams. See these ice cubes, see these ice creams. Eligible bachelor, $1 million bow. That's whiter than what's down your throat. The phantom, exterior like fish eggs, the interior like suicide wrist red.